Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a hair review on the Garnier Whole Blends Honey Treasures hair mask. So this, I got so excited that I already used it before I even did the video. That's why my hair looks so cute right now. You see how hydrated my curls are? If not, how great it is. I'll do it a little bit further away. And yeah. So this is their new Honey Treasures Royal Jelly Honey and propolis, can't say that word, you already know, extract. It repairs for healthier, stronger hair. I love this brand. My mother and my sister love their new Whole Blends brand. It's paraben free. It is sulfate free. It's so good for you, for your hair. It says it right here, all natural ingredients. And yes, if you look at the ingredients right here, I'll zoom that in, pause it for you so you can read some of it. You can pause the video if you want to read some of it. And yeah, it doesn't have anything that, you know, us curly girls can't use. So I'm very excited because it's cheaper and less expensive than all the other brands. It's like, what, their shampoos are $3 and usually there's a deal like 2 for $7 in like Walgreens and CVS. So I used this last night. I'm gonna put a video right here probably of me doing my hair last night. This is the morning after. Of course, this conditioner in my hair, and it's the Whole Blends Legendary Olive Oil. Zoom into that. It is vegan pressed olive oil and olive leaf extracts. It is enriched with a paraben-free, silicone-free, no weight down, natural ingredients. It nourishes to restore softness and shine, and is a replenishing conditioner. It's their new one, and as you can see from my hair, this is the morning after, so some parts are of course flat from sleeping because I don't put anything, a wrap or anything. I just sleep normal, which you shouldn't, and I should really invest in a silk pillowcase, but I have not. So yeah, so it's really good for just having morning after hair. Honestly, I used to use Garnier back in the day before they had products for curly hair, and I liked it, and I love now that they have this whole new Whole Blend. Yeah, so I totally recommend this. My sister just informed me that they don't sell this in stores, which is weird. You have to like order it online or something. But if your Walgreens or CVS sells it, then I would jump on it. This is great. It's probably cheaper than all the other brands, like Shea Moisture, you know, my favorite. If you don't know, I love Shea Moisture. And Carol's Daughter, which are a little pricey just for shampoo and conditioner and hair mask. But Garnier is very affordable, and I love this conditioner. Like I said, I've been using it, and I used to use them in the past, and they've won me over with their new line for curly haired girls, and it is Garnier for the win, guys. Garnier for the win. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have great experiences or even bad experiences with Garnier, comment down below. If you have curly hair and you want to try a new product, their Whole Blends collection, honestly, I give it a plus. My sister and my mother give it a totally thumbs up as well. They have just as curly hair as I do. My mom has more coily hair, and she uses this for her hair. Well, not this one in particular, but they have their like the Whole Blends collection. She has like everything for her hair, and she has like 4C hair, and it's very thick and very coarse, and she uses this and she loves it because she's on the natural journey. Thanks to my sister and I, we've convinced her to go natural. So yeah, so that I will document later on. I can't wait to see when her hair grows out because she like chopped it, so she has like a little mini fro. So I can't wait for her hair to grow and to see all the natural beauty curls come out. So yeah, so like I said, like and subscribe and comment down below, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. Bye.